why this course in particular? So all three of us are medical students, and we've all recently been through the application processes ourselves. And we all have very different experiences of this application process. We all applied to different medical schools, and we all sat different admission tests. And Flavia, for example, lives in Canada, and she goes to a university in Ireland. So another thing about this course is that you actually get to meet and engage with other applicants in a very small group setting. So we're going to have 10 students to 3 tutors, which will be a really nice small group setting. We'll all get to know each other very well, and we'll hopefully be able to give you that one-to-one help, which we think will be really beneficial for you all. You'll get the opportunity to learn and practice admission examination questions, such as the UCAT and BMAT, which is used in the UK, and we'll also go through the MCAT, which is used in Canada. And you'll also get individual tutorials on interview techniques and personal statement writing. And just a real highlight of this course is that you'll actually be able to understand how the biology concepts that you get to learn in school are applied to clinical environments that are used in hospitals, for example.